I have never flown a drone before. Officially, as of saying this statement right now, I am a drone virgin. That's about to change really soon. Now, for those of you who have never flown a drone before but are afraid to do so, Lok, have you flown a drone before?
Yeah.
Okay, it's just me then.
I crashed a drone before as well.
I was afraid to fly a drone because I was afraid I would always crash it. So for those of you who have this fear, I'll talk you through my first ever experience flying this is a DJI.
Mavic 2 Pro.
That's very expensive.
Yeah.
Latest.
Latest. Okay, I'm gonna talk through the experience, and for those of you who might want to fly a drone but don't dare to do it, maybe you still won't, or maybe you will.
You know how to take off?
I have no idea how to take off.
I'm going to back off to safety area.
Pull that
Pull that.
inside to you, toward you. This one.
These two
pull
towards me.
Toward you. Close in. Yes.
Whoa, boy!
Release. Release first. This is gonna be take off. This is up and down,
Okay.
and then
Up, down, and rotate.
Yeah,
Pan.
rotate.
Okay.
This one is go forward, go backward, go left, go right.
Okay.
So right now, up first. Don't touch anything. Up first.
Up.
Up.
It's going up.
Up. Okay, stop there. Stop there. Rotate. You feel the rotation?
Yeah.
Go front a bit.
In front.
Go back.
Back.
Go back. Go left.
Left. It's coming towards
right.
me. Right.
Okay, now you know.
Okay.
Go
Okay.
further up.
Go further up.
Try it.
It's actually very easy. It's a lot simpler than expected. It's oddly satisfying. I feel in power. That thing is doing exactly what I'm telling it to. How far are we gonna go? Is that too far?
7 kilometers.
7 kilometers. I completely forgot to look at the screen.
How far is that ZY thing? Is it too far?
Oh, there's a bird, there's a bird, there's a bird. Okay, there it is. Okay, it's literally just a few axes. Up, down, pan,
pan down.
front, left,
And we have
front,
more.
back, left, right.
We have more.
There's more.
This finger, your camera action. You see?
Oh, that controls the camera.
Yeah. Back then, Inspire 1, we used 2 pilots.
Two pilots, one for the camera, one for the drone?
Exactly.
Gosh.
And can you fly further away?
Further away, okay,
You are
okay,
just
okay.
Still very close to us.
Okay, that thing goes fast.
Come full throttle. Full throttle.
Full throttle. Yo! I'm trying to find myself in there. We are so far. Oh, there we are. We're kind of like, okay, yeah, I see ourselves. For those of you wondering, it feels exactly like a video game. The controls are literally like a video game.
It is.
It's kind of like GTA, yeah.
Can you find the direction?
I'm trying to find my direction. Okay, that should come right towards us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay!
And
I see us.
you have to
I
come
see
here and
us.
do a landing so that we can end
Oh
the
my
video.
gosh, I hear landings are the worst.
No, it's not that difficult.
Because you
press
can
the
hit
whole
one.
button.
Yeah, you get one button. Landing.
Let's try manual landing. I
No,
feel like
of course. Come closer and slightly lower. Lower your drone. Come even closer.
It's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down,
Come close. Come close.
coming down.
Come
It's
close.
forward, I think.
Forward.
Oh, no, that was up, that was
do
up,
both.
that was up.
Do both.
Do both at the same time.
Down and forward.
This way, down,
Come close.
forward, and down a bit more.
Come close. Even come close. We
Closer.
have to film it. Come close.
Okay.
Come close.
All right, it's almost home.
You are like I'm signaling a car.
Your air traffic.
You're like worshipping it.
Jason's praying to a drone. And it'll just touch down nicely.
Just go.
Actually, the last mile, the last bit is auto.
Oh, hooray! That wasn't too hard at all. I mean, it was a bit confusing at some point because I completely lost track of where the drone was facing, but that was actually really easy.
Now the thing is the drone. I think it's easy to learn, hard to master.
Hard to master, okay.
Like if you're starting to have to like do going sideways
Oh, okay.
and panning.
Oh, okay, so like a combination of moves. That's tricky.
And
I
then
see.
There are some other I can't do that first, like free action at the same time, like going up and panning and sideways.
I see. So it's like when you're trying to do a radial
let me
move
do
kind
it
of
for
thing.
you.
So there we have it. Flying a drone, not as hard as it seems. Thanks for Jayz and Lok for being such brilliant driving instructors, flying instructors.
Okay.
Also, Jason, thank you so much for filming. This is Jason from Wa Banana, Singapore. Definitely check him out somewhere up here. Yes, there.
At the
Yeah, somewhere here.
strawberry.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I don't have the mic, but yeah.